It's a lovely day in March. This is the Spring Creek, Montgomery County, Harris County. Stick. Dog. This is an all-terrain dog. We're going to demonstrate it right now. You ready, Rose? Good girl. That was wet, wasn't it? Let me do it again. Come here. Drop. Good girl. Okay, here we go. We're going to do it again. Ready? You know where this is going, don't you? You think you know where this is going. She thinks she knows where this is going. Ready? She seems to have it. I think she seems to have lost it because it drifted away. It's okay. This is a dog in heaven. Bring me your stick. Oh, she knew where it was the whole time. What a good dog. Who's a good dog, Rose? Huh? You want to go for 3? Maybe not. Rose. Rose. Drop. 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 Don't cry. Drop. What's your problem there, Rose? You want to go back in the water? Go get in the water. Want to go get in the water? Go get in the water, Goofy.